Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. मैं हूँ ज्योति, मेरे साथ है
And मैं
श्रुति
हूँ श्रुति. Yes. And
and
Jojo. आज
you have
yes
a
मैं
song.
गाना लेके आई हूँ आज. Yes.
Tell me.
So I've been getting a lot of DMs for this song, and I know for a fact, I'm sure even you have been. And
Hmm.
the reason I've specifically picked it up is because ये अब I don't know film का soundtrack है या film के अंदर, because मैंने film देखी है, मुझे ये गाना specifically याद नहीं है. तो ये film के बाद, so Manto had come out, Nandita Das had, it was from her production house,
Right.
and after being made and everything, it went into the festival circuit. I've seen the film. Nawazuddin
Mm.
Siddiqui is like an acting god. Like, he's amazing. Just the
Mm.
film, the production, the way the whole period drama had been created out of it. When you're showing, the 1940s ka kya daur tha, uske pehle kya tha, it is just absolutely beautiful. I loved
Mm.
the film. I loved how, when you read about Amrita Preetham and Manto and everything, you read their books now, and it's to bring them to life and to show them कि वो actually interact कर रहे हैं और क्या चल रहा है उनकी life. It was just too beautiful. So the moment this song came up as a request, बोला ये तो करना पड़ेगा. And on
Mm.
top of it, it's Raftaar's song. So
Yeah,
then I was like, yeah, then we must,
I know
must,
now which
must.
one it is. Yeah. I've been
है ना?
getting requests for it from the
Mantoiyat.
start. Yeah.
हाँ, हाँ.
I haven't watched the film.
Hmm.
So
You
if
must.
there's something I missed from all that going on, whatever,
Yeah,
um,
yeah.
um, you can tell me. You can fill me
I
in.
will. I will.
You
I
know?
will. I absolutely
Um,
love the film. I think मैं हाँ 2 बार देख चुकी हूँ. So
It's
yeah,
on my watch
let's.
list, but I honestly don't get down to watching movies very often. So there's a very long watch list that
हाँ, forget all the rest.
I
ये वाली
can.
देखना.
I will.
हाँ.
Nawaz has
So if
to.
you're Yeah, so if you're ready, then I will count you down and then we can get straight into it.
Okay, let's go. I
Huh?
am, yeah, ready.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, play.
रफ्तार
सवाल ये है कि जो चीज जैसी है उसे वैसे ही पेश क्यों ना किया। मैं तो बस अपनी कहानियों को एक आईना समझता हूँ जिसमें समाज अपने आप को देख सके।
आईना न देखना चाहे समाज मेरा, पूछे मेरा कल न देख दे ये आज मेरा, खोद दे खरोद दे ये मेरी गलतियां, मैं भी चल दिया मेरी सोच पे है राज मेरा, कान बंद आंखें बंद इनके मुंह पे ताले, इन पे जोर ना के सत्य पे प्रकाश डाले, बोले सच्चो उसके चेहरे पे तेजाब डाले, घूमे फिर खुले में और जले जो वो नकाब डाले। ऑफ है दिमाग सबका ऑफ है, जमाना क्या कहेगा इसका ही तो सबको खौफ है, दब के जीते हैं दबाने के ये आदी है, सेक्स निषेध है तो इतनी क्यों आबादी है, लोग ये है आत्मा से खोखले, खुद करे तो ठीक बाकी कल दोगले, गाली दे दो हिंदी में तो बोले ऐसा क्यों किया, फक क्यों है कूल जाने गलत क्यों है चूतिया।
इस तरह के अल्फाज हमें सड़कों पर सुनाई नहीं पड़ते। मंटो एक इंसान है, मंटो एक इंसान है, मंटो एक इंसान है, मंटो एक इंसान है, मुझ पर इल्जाम है, मुझ पर इल्जाम है, मुझ पर इल्जाम है, मंटो एक इंसान है।
जात में ये बांटते हैं बांट के ये काटते हैं, कटने वाले खाट पे है इनकी मौज रात में है, लाल बत्ती वाली गाड़ी क्लास इनके हाथ में है, राजनीति में है चोर पुलिस इनके साथ में, मेरी बातें तुमको सच नहीं लगती, सच्ची बातें तुमको यारा बच नहीं सकती, मुझसे ना समझ है दुगने मेरी एज के, एक पैर कब्र में ये भूखे हैं दहेज के, बेटियों को मारते बेटियां ना पालते, बेटियों पे दूसरों की नजरें गंदी डालते, लड़कियां पटाके उनको बंदी बोलते हैं, और जो राजी ना हो उनको साले रंडी बोलते हैं, बाप रोज माँ पे ठोस हाथ जो उठाएगा, बेजुबान बोलने से पहले सीख जाएगा कि मर्द तब बनेगा जब तू औरतें दबाएगा, सोच के रही तो जल्दी देश डूब जाएगा।
मैं उस सोसाइटी की चोली क्या उतारूंगा जो पहले से नंगी है, उसे कपड़े पहनाना मेरा काम नहीं है, मैं काली तख्ती पर सफेद चौक इस्तेमाल करता हूं ताकि काली तख्ती और नुमाया हो जाए। मंटो एक इंसान।
मैंने घंटों पढ़ा है तुमको मंटो, तुम्हारे जैसा बनूं करे मेरा मन तो, इन बंदों को सच नहीं दिखता, 70 साल आजादी के सच आज भी नहीं बिकता।
अगर आप मेरी कहानी को बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते तो इसका मतलब ये है कि इस जमाना ही नाकाबिले बर्दाश्त है।
I'm in love with Raftaar now. More so.
Mm.
Like, I think it's for the first time I'm getting a insight into Raftaar's thinking, not just with the usual stuff that's going on, but more so, or maybe it's just the Manto love. I don't know, but like, wow.
But I've seen this side to Raftaar, and even like since I follow him online on Insta and like his posts and all, he's got his heart and head in the right place. I've always got that vibe
Yeah,
from him. But
yeah.
yeah, for sure, so many truth bombs, man, in this song.
Strong, powerful video, and like taken Manto ka thing, taken like just the inspirations, and then
Mm.
put it into a song stunningly.
Mm.
Stunningly. And the
Mm.
bars that he was hitting, especially there was this one part where he went, oh, 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 that was wonderful because it was so unexpected. So, the way he mixed it up, very nice video, very well made. I
Mm.
liked, I really enjoyed the
I
entire
like how
video.
they had Nawaz and Raftaar come in,
Yeah, interjecting.
and yeah, doing that whole mix and mash up there. Very
Yeah.
nicely done. And I think the whole I think it's kind of like the title track to the film. And from what
Because this
I've
wasn't
heard,
there.
yeah, from what
Mhm.
I've heard is Nawaz contacted Raftaar to create this song
Oh,
for
really?
the as a promotional thing for the film.
Wow.
Is what I've heard. I
Wow.
could be wrong, but I mean, he's obviously hit the right notes with the messaging and with the lyrics and the bars and the aina dikhana society ko, so
Correct.
to speak. So yeah, especially the verse about the women and if this is how we think that औरतों को दबा के you become a mard, then we are doomed and our future and the country is doomed. So nice. I like all the calling out.
Especially the beauty of it is these are things जो इतने time से बोली जा रही है ना कि now it's to that point where it's like if you don't know it and if you don't talk about it, where are you? So now let's come 5 steps ahead. Let's not be stuck only in the talking about it. But now it's more that if even till right now you've not changed,
Mm.
then you really need to just like, it is not about pointing fingers. You really need to just calm down and take a good look at yourself in the mirror, as it was,
Mm.
specified over there, and just figure out what's up. Yeah, what's up with you
Mm.
if you still think like that. So it's a very
Mm.
natural, a very real, and a
Mm.
very something that is normal. And someone who's not behaving normally is still living in a different era.
Mm.
उनसे बात की जा रही है कि like dude what's up, so
No, but
which I love.
yeah, I
Yeah.
loved it. And I like the way he's doing it because he's saying कि मुझसे double umar wale bhi are more messed up in the head and in their thinking because they want the age and they have this kind of mentality. And the thing is, like, at least culturally, we are people who respect elders and who learn from elders and things like that. But as you grow and you become your own person and you have your own understanding of the world, you must also have the respectfully call out the stuff that elder people have not got right in the past.
Yeah.
And I think
Yeah.
he's doing that
They're humans
beautifully.
as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I mean, ठीक है, आपने कुछ सीखा होगा घर में growing up. That doesn't need to be your mentality for the rest of your life. As
Correct.
you grow older, and now with the internet age and the times we live in, there's enough and more things for you to see around you and learn from, right? Whether it's it's songs like this, or it's movies, or it's shows, or it's even like people you look up to in terms of celebrities, Raftaar, um, you can learn from those things, and you can differentiate between what's right and wrong yourself,
Yeah.
and drown out the
Yeah.
noise that you've been taught your whole life or that you've seen happening. So I think anyway, so I think it's brilliant that he approached Raftaar, especially because Raftaar is kind of like one of the leading voices in the Desi hip hop scene, which is predominantly a male fan base, right?
Yeah.
So
And the feminism needs to start from there, which
the
is the
fem
beauty of it.
to start from
Yeah.
the men, exactly, because
Yeah.
yeah, I think we've said it. We've said it. So props to Nawaz, props to Raftaar, and there's just seeing rhythm and percussion is also Raftaar. Guitars is Tenzing Lama. Oh, nice. He's I think from Roots, this band in Delhi, if I'm not mistaken. Mix and master Abhishek Ghatak, very nicely produced. Yeah, very nicely produced. Very
Very
powerful
nice.
video, very powerful message, and full respect to everyone involved.
Yeah.
Nice.
And thank you for requesting it.
Yeah, and thank you, Bola, for picking it today. It's been on the list for a long time. So, yeah, thank you guys, and hopefully you enjoyed watching this, and we'll see you
And we
in the
shall see
next
you
one.
next time. Bye.